Oh Jesus, look at this boat. Slow down, you guys. Where the fuck is it going? Look at that thing. Oh, those guys are shitting in their pants right now. Slow fucking down. Don't go into that monster. You're gonna be shitting. These guys are not gonna make it. Look at that thing. Oh, there's a bigger one behind. It is not pretty. There's a bigger one behind. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. They can't duck dive it. They gotta go. Oh my God. You guys can do it. Oof. Oh, next one is gonna close right on top of him. I am shitting in my pants right now. Oh Jesus. Whoa. Fucking hell. Whoa, my heart is going ballistic. Can you imagine on board of that boat? And these guys coming in, surfing the wave. I guess that's the only way. Jesus Christ. Why are these guys going now? Must be a regatta, but kind of late. 5:50. I got a shot this guy, shoot this guy. Alright. Unbelievable.